Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to process a delivery order using SQL accounting software. A delivery order is generated when the goods are ready to be delivered to the customer. Now, I will show you how to process a delivery order by transferring it from a sales order. To do this, select the customer. Then you may enter your description here. We are going to key in furniture order as an example. Then, navigate to the delivery order, right-click, and select Transfer from Sales Order. Next, choose the sales order you want to transfer and click OK. After transferring the sales order, review the details to ensure everything is accurate, and then click Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a delivery order. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.